wanted to know if affirmations really work. And so I did a little bit of digging, a little bit of research, and the answer is no, they don't work. They don't work. So I do affirmations every morning. I listen to them on YouTube. I wanted to know if, I was about to say really again, I wanted to know if affirmations work. And so I did a little bit of digging, a little bit of research, and the answer is no, they don't work. They don't work. Unless you believe them. A lot of people, what most of the people that I came across said that unless you actually believe the affirmations, they don't work. So it's not as if affirmations are you're going to take them and these thoughts are just going to come into your head and live in your head. What probably will happen is that you won't believe what the affirmation is saying, and then it probably will create more of like a pull and tug within you and maybe get you further from where you want to be. Now, I can see why that would be true. I can see why. I mean, they're called affirmations, and one of the people made a really good point that they're called affirmations because they're made to affirm what you already know and believe about yourself. So I think the biggest thing is like getting to the point where you actually believe what the affirmations are saying, just to kind of put it all in and remember, kind of recall those things too. I guess one of the hardest things would be actually trying to, sorry, that's my cat, actually trying to believe what the affirmation says, even if you don't believe it. And for me, you know, one of the biggest things that I've had to deal with in life is like beauty, feeling beautiful, being, you know, feeling accepted, feeling like I'm enough, basically like I'm enough, like I deserve love, those type of things. And those are really big things to deal with, especially when you live in a world that affirms that you aren't beautiful enough, that in order to get love, you have to do these things, that you are just not enough without having to do it. Like you're just enough existing. You don't have to do anything to get love. And we live in a world where now look at Instagram and things like that. It's a pretty fake world a lot of times. Like people have on filters, and it's created to make you feel less than, so that you'll buy into these type of things in this world, so that you'll buy more things to make you feel beautiful, that you buy things to make you feel loved, so that you buy things to make you feel accepted, and none of that works. So all of it has to, what I know now in my 44 years of life, is that all of it has to come from within. You really have to do the work to feel loved, to feel like you're enough, to feel like you're worthy, to feel like you deserve a seat at the table. And then the affirmations will ring true. The affirmations will, you know, resonate with you, and they'll just kind of lift you up a little bit as you recite them in the morning. Maybe I'll do another video about how I came to a spot but maybe I'll share on a video some of the things that I have done and some of the books that I have read. Oh, I have one book that I wanted to read. Oh, I wanted to read something to you guys. Wait a minute. Okay. So this book, Psycho-Cybernetics, I'm quite sure if you've been following a lot of like YouTube gurus or people that are into self-help and things like that, I'm sure you've heard of this book. You may have even read it a couple times. This is my second time going back through it, so I'm on chapter 3 now again. And one of the things that, it was so crazy because I was looking up affirmations, and then I started reading this chapter, and it kind of affirmed everything that I had learned about affirmations. And I just wanted to read a quick passage. So it says, a human being always acts and feels and performs in accordance with what he imagines to be true about himself and his environment. So you really have to begin to believe the good things about yourself that you want to live out. You have to internalize it. You have to believe it. You have to believe that you're beautiful. You have to believe that that you're worthy of love and that you can speak correctly. You have to believe that you are enough. You have to believe that. But that's all I wanted to say today. And if you guys want to, like I said, definitely if you want some affirmations, some really good affirmations, check out my playlist, and I'll continue to, as I go through and get more affirmations that I enjoy, I'll just add to that list. And then 2, I'm going to put down 2 of the videos in the description box that I watched when I was kind of researching about affirmations and do they even work. And so I'll put those in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out, and let me know what you think. Thanks. Bye.